My name is Iryna, and today we will talk about some interesting topic. It's how to make it in iGaming in 2024. My name is Iryna, and today I'm a COO of PIN-UP Traffic. It's first of all about traffic, and I need to become a traffic to improve the traffic in a company, maybe even till in 10 times. With a helicopter view level and thinking about how to improve all the processes in this segment. Before it, every imaginable title in this SEO department of very big amount of a company, various companies. Then, how do the guys who made it in iGaming look like, you know? Guys who think they are doing something right with its expensive cars, expensive watches and affairs, maybe some brand stuff. Who is familiar with iGaming? Please raise your hand. Who is familiar with iGaming? Okay, thank you guys. So, who those guys who do this in iGaming and get rich? Most permanent traffic teams separated on a few types, like a few categories. So what does one to do to stay relevant tomorrow and the next year after it? Why I'm not sure that you need to stick in a one source. It's a very important thing to be in a market, in a time. Each and every approach, like a running traffic, it eventually dies out. And while your company would accumulate the risk, once the regulation changes, that's like the local regulation or worldwide thing, you be done. Really, when you can just sustain the fuel element, you'd be done. And the most important, hypes dies out also. What are you trying to tell? What I'm trying to tell you, it's maybe not, it doesn't exist, but keep your eyes on the price. We've talking about do that by reviewing your processes and aligning the main things goals. You had this on a part of your strategy. Otherwise, you always be looking for the next totally convincing over approach and which will get you maybe nowhere. So we need to emphasize what we need to do really actually, like a plan. Set yourself a goal, the most important thing and the most important mass. It's like a goal that just dropped and messed by your way to eat. It's going forward or doing something else after you're setting your goal. It's a very important thing, a goal, or maybe even the goal. Okay. Maybe you wanted to become a leviathan in this niche, okay? You know that you want to be best of the best. Maybe you want to retire after selling your business. It could be also a goal. We need to remember and recall always that money couldn't be a goal. It's not a goal. And find and establish methods. And the second one thing that we need to fix, our plan. Then resources, reviews, all your team must be focused on it. Make yourself a name and build trust not only with the traffic sources in your niche as a trusted one, like in an industry. Then, important, but not first, but I think maybe the first one. It's hiring of a people. It's a hiring of a talents. It's a thing that will support you, and they will be aimed to reach your and your goal, like a company, like a one organism. Then, so how to make it in iGaming in 2025 if we wanted to see a future? The thing is set a goal, what we're talking about, and stay on a track toward it, not to lose it with your team, with your head, and with your financial state.